Hey guys, I'm making this video to demonstrate how important Autumn Leaves is, the tune Autumn Leaves. In particular, the first 8 bars. The first 8 bars goes through every single mode of the major scale. And it does it in a functional way. It moves up in fourths, so you get a 2-5-1 to major, 2-5-1 to minor. And whenever I learn anything new or teach something new to a student, that's like the first tune I go back to. I could feel my students' eyes roll to the back of their head when I say, hey, let's pull out Autumn Leaves again. So in this video, I'm playing my horn over the first 8 bars of Autumn Leaves. I'm playing the changes. I'm thinking about the changes. I'm doing various things. Chord scales, some voice leading, maybe some modal borrowing. Maybe I'm substituting some Coltrane changes in there, but I'm pretty much thinking of Autumn Leaves the whole time while Autumn Leaves is going in my ears. Okay, and so what I did was, for the next video, I actually toggled the Autumn Leaves backing track off in my DAW, and I toggled on just a C minor vamp from iReal Pro. And for both of those play-alongs, I actually did the piano because I don't like the piano on iReal Pro. And so literally you're hearing the same exact lines, the same exact solos. What is it? I think I did it for 16 bars, something like that. Longer than that, 32 bars. So you're hearing literally the same solo in 2 different contexts. One superimposed over Autumn Leaves, and the same exact solo superimposed over a C minor vamp. And I think the results are shocking. The playing inside sounds surprisingly modern when the context changes. So anyways, I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I hope it reaches somebody out there.